Hello, Osprey! Welcome to this tutorial on how to enroll in a payment plan. To get started, you will need your GoPortal username and password. If you're a new student, this was assigned to you in your acceptance package. On stockton.edu, click on the Go symbol. Go. Next, click Login to Go Stockton Portal. Welcome to your GoPortal. Please click on Bursar at the top of the page. Since we are enrolling in a payment plan, if you need to get familiar with what your account charges were for the specific term, please click on My Account, My Bill right here in the middle of the screen. Scroll down to enroll in a payment plan. You may need to log in again for security purposes. Welcome to your payment plan enrollment screen. Make sure that the screen is welcoming you. Now we're going to enroll. Enroll now. Click. We're going to select the term Open for Enrollment, Fall 2020. Select. Now at this time, we have two payment plan options. We have a 4 and a 2. If you need to review the details, please click Details and a brief overview will be provided. Select your plan. It's important you review the schedule before you complete your enrollment. The dates are predetermined. If you have any questions, you may always give us a call or an email. Please note it will pull your balance and divide it between the installments available. My balance is reflected here, and the installments are reflected here. Please note it's important to set up automatic payments or decline automatic payments. At this time, I'm going to make my option for automatic payments. I'm going to review everything before I click Continue. Now, I'm going to select on how my auto payments are going to be set. If I'm using a credit card or debit card, I'm going to take note that a 2.85% fee will be assessed. If I'm paying with an electronic check, that will be free of charge with a routing and account number. The payment plan setup fee is automatically onto the balance and not due as a payment at this time. It will be spread out over your plan. Please select your method. Since I'm doing an electronic check, I'm going to click Continue. This is the screen. You will enter in your information. Once you've filled out all boxes appropriately and you click Continue, it's important to review your payment plan agreement. It's going to go over the charges and the dates one last time and for you to agree. Please click this box and click Continue. If you need to print your agreement, you may click here. Otherwise, you can print your plan amounts or be finished. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please give our office a call at 609-652-4597 or send us an email with your Z number to bursar@stockton.edu. That is BURSAR@stockton.edu. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Go Ospreys!